Good morning, class. Before we start, please stand up for our prayer. Okay, before you take your seats, please pick up pieces of papers and arrange your chairs properly. Now let's check your attendance. Say present once your name is called. It's nice to know that 98% is present today. May ask the secretary if the absentees have excuse letter. Okay, thank you, secretary. Okay, now, who among you here remembers our topic yesterday? Thank you, Christine, for the short discussion of our yesterday's lesson. Okay, before we start our lesson this morning, we will be having a short activity. This game is called 4-Pick 1 Word. I will group you into 4 groups. I'm going to show you a group of picture and your group will identify the theme. And below the pictures are blank boxes indicating how many letters are in the answer. And you will be given a pieces of paper and felt a pen to write your answer. The first group to raise the correct answer will gain 5 points. And the group with the most number of points wins the game. Participated and doing well in our activity. Now, what comes in your mind when you encounter those words? Yes, Shirley. Okay, thank you for your answer. Okay, what else? Yes, Mark. Yes, it is. You are correct because today we're going to discuss about human respiratory system. Okay. What is respiratory system? Okay. The respiratory system allow us to breathe and they bring oxygen into our bodies called inhalation and send carbon dioxide out called exhalation, and this exchange is called respiration. Now let us discuss the parts of the respiratory system. These are the parts of our respiratory system. First is the nose. Okay. Group 1, kindly read the definition. Thank you. The function of the nostrils is it protruding prominently from the face. The nose serves as a vent of air exchange. The anterior mirror allow air to enter the nose and pass into the nasal cavity. Okay, next is the pharynx. Group 2, kindly read. Thank you, Group 2. Okay, the pharynx chamber serves both respiratory and digestive function. Thick fibers of muscles and connective tissues attach the pharynx to the base of the skull and surrounding the structure. Let us proceed to the third part, the larynx. Group 3, it's your turn. Thank you, Group 3. The larynx plays an essential role in human speech. During the sound production, the vocal cords close together and vibrates as air expelled from the lungs passes between them. Okay, next is the trachea. Last group, kindly read. Thank you, Group 4. Trachea is a tube-like structure with a neck and upper chest. It transports air from the lungs when we breathe. When we inhale, it travels through the nose or mouth, down the trachea and into the lungs. Next is the bronchus. Bronchus is the main passageway into the lungs. When someone takes a breath through their nose or mouth, the air travels into the larynx. The next step is through the trachea, which carries the air into the left and right bronchus. And lastly, the bronchiole. Everybody read. Okay, the bronchiole deliver air to tiny sacs called alveoli, where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. Okay, what is the importance of respiratory system? Anyone from the class? Okay, thank you. How about the others? Well said. Thank you. Class, remember that the respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that help us breathe. This system helps our body absorb oxygen from the air, so our organs can work together. It also cleans the waste gases such as carbon dioxide. from your blood. Common problems include the allergies, disease, and infections. Okay, what are the parts of the respiratory system? Yes. Okay, thank you. I think that you already understand the functions and the importance of the human respiratory system. Now we will have an activity to test your knowledge. In the same group, you will identify the parts of the respiratory system, and after that, there will be one representative to present your output and then explains its function. You will be given 3 minutes to answer. Any questions and clarifications? A big hands for everyone because you've done a great job today. Now, get 1/4 sheet of paper and read the direction and the questionnaire given to you. For your assignment, please copy the questions written on the board. Okay, any question regarding our assignment? Clarification? Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.